Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 net connected but no internet problem. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type net sh space, int space, IP space, reset. Type net sh space, winsock space, reset. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Exit and restart system. Second method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click connected network adapter, click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Third method is click Start, Settings, Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings, click Network Reset. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.